Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is, well, sneakers shipped mad fast. So what we are going to discuss is the Total Orange Kobe 6. We're going to do a little in-hand unboxing for you guys and show you all what these look like in hand and if they're worth the cop. Which, with my first look at these right here, I think they're worth the cop. Absolutely. We're going to be posting some pics of these in IGs, a little reel, stuff like that. But these are 100% worth the cop in my opinion. Very, very nice. All orange Kobe 6. We're going to get to some of these details up close and let y'all know what I think about this sneaker, so I hope y'all will enjoy. If you guys do want more content like this, and feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget, let's just try to 300 likes on this video. That lets me know that y'all want more content like this. And if you guys have any questions down below, just ask them. Don't miss the Whatnot lives down below as well. We're live there almost every single day, so if y'all want to check that out, support the streams. We give away stuff every single stream, so hey, at least tune in for the giveaways and free stuff we give. And yeah, I hope y'all will enjoy that. Yeah, that's pretty much everything I need to say. Again, everything else is down below in the pinned comment, my IGs, the Whatnot lives, any of that. And if you want to leave a comment too, damn, go ahead, do that there. But that's it. Let me know what y'all think about the Kobe 6 Total Orange, and let's get into it. And sorry if I seem a bit tired this morning. I am. Alright, so getting into the Kobe 6 Total Orange, y'all can see normal Kobe 6 box. This is the same box that we had for the Dodgers, right? So nothing really special to show there, right? So just normal box. That's basically what we can say. But I'll take the pair out, right? Because the pair is cool. We got something special with this, right? I like the sneaker, so we'll set that right there. And getting into the Kobe 6 Total Orange. I have a big size right here, 11.5. I don't know if I'm going to sell this right now because it's a good size. So we'll see. I might wait a little bit because I feel like you could probably go for more in this size. But as you guys can see, looking at this shoe right here, taking a look, you guys can see the first thing that is really noticeable is that silver swoosh and how that sits on the all orange scaly look. You guys can see very, very noticeable, and it definitely pops. It's one of the main things I can say. But also just look at these in hand. These go crazy. Like, if you're a fan of orange, I'm just gonna say this is probably a must cop. I'm just gonna say that. Like, this is by far like one of the more noticeable orange shoes they've done this year. And also it's almost all orange, like the whole entire part. And the other parts, they have other colors on, right? Like here, and you can see the black carbon fiber and then the silver swoosh, and well, of course, right here on the tongue tag as well, right? That silver portion, they all fit together is basically what I'm saying. Nothing on the sneaker really doesn't fit together to me, you know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, your personal opinion, you may just think, you know, the sneaker doesn't work or whatever it is. That's totally fine. But I think we can all agree, like, the color scheme they chose, they all kind of blend together well, and it makes for a decent sneaker. So that's what I think about this shoe. The prices, again, right now between a range of like 250, 280. The reason they're a bit lower is because, keep in mind, we did just have that sneakers release, but also there was a decent amount of manual dubs. So I think it'll be a bit before we see these soar up in price. But you saw a very similar thing recently with the Kobe 6 Dodgers, but they got cheap to like that 230, 240, 250 range, and now I can see they're going up in price right now. So again, if people let these get cheap, I'm definitely going to be looking to get some of those popular sizes along with some of the larger sizes, because I think there's definite potential for these to age well. As you can see with a lot of recent Kobe's, they haven't taken that long to go up. They really haven't. And it's been most Kobe's going up in price. So that's a good thing. I just want to say that. So be paying attention to that. A lot of Kobe's have only taken like 3 months to start making progress. I mean, the Kobe 6 Dodgers, again, y'all remember those just dropped or ended releasing in May. They're already going up now. You know what I mean? So that just shows you it can happen that quickly. So I'm paying attention to these. It's basically all I'm going to say. I know we're not discussing resale in this video, but I'm keeping a close watch on this one. Just based off a lot of Kobe 6s going up in price recently, I think I'm just going to keep a watch on these. So that's my kind of first opinion right there. But let me not drop the shoe, right? As you can see, I'm almost fumbling the pair. I'll set one right here for a second. But taking a look at the shoes, as you all can see, again, the soles. Let me make sure I didn't just get something on the sole of my pair. I don't think I did. I think we're good. But y'all can see the soles that we got right here. That kind of translucent, all clear look. Y'all can see that orange or a little bit of a darker orange Kobe logo right there. The carbon fiber plate. And then, of course, everything else we got with the sneaker. Just the look of it. Very, very clean pair. Now, y'all can also see on the insole, same thing that we have right there on the tongue tag. So keep that in mind, guys. And I don't think we have, I'll check that in a second to see if we have extra laces. I wasn't seeing any a second ago, but I would like maybe like a white pair or a silver pair. I feel like that would work very, very well with this particular shoe. But again, just such a clean one. You can also see, again, Kobe's signature back here by the heel. You can see still in that silver font, matching with the swoosh. And of course, matching with the tongue tag, excuse me. I don't know what I said there a second ago, but that is really what I think, again, about the Kobe 6 Total Orange. Let's see, do we have extra laces with these? We should have a pair. If we don't, I mean, it kind of makes sense. Orange is kind of hard to have like a set of extra laces with, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's not looking like we have a pair of extra laces, or Nike forgot to include mine. But that's what I'm seeing at the moment. No extra laces, so keep that in mind. Just the orange set that we have right here, as y'all can see on the pair. But again, that works well, blends. It's not like it's a mismatching pair that doesn't fit. So that's a good thing. At least the laces that we got with them, that come with them, work very, very well. And you guys can see again, just that all orange look of this sneaker. Very, very clean pair in hand. I don't think anybody's denying that. These look very, very good. And it's also one of those pairs that, again, is a little bit harder to get. But if you check the prices now, you can go get a little deal if you want for at least a couple weeks. So that's what I think, again, about the Kobe 6 Total Orange. You can see the silver swooshes, that all orange scaly look throughout the shoe. And then, again, just what we got with the sneakers overall. As you guys can see, very good shoe. But you already know sometimes the prices get a little bit lower. So, hey, if you want a little deal, again, go catch that right now. That's what I can say. Even with it being a nice shoe, I feel like these can definitely be more expensive than where they're at right now. So aside from, again, just discussing the resale briefly and giving y'all some quick shots like that, showing y'all again what they look like up close like this, you know what I mean? This is a very, very nice shoe. Big fan of it. Happy to have a pair right here. I'm not noticing any special writing or anything on the inside of the tongue tag or anything like that. It seems like most of the design work is just the outside of the sneaker and the overall colorway. So aside from that, we're going to get into discussing this a little bit more, and we're going to do some B-roll shots. So we're going to get into that in a second. And yeah, why don't we start that? We'll do the B-roll shots right now. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much what I can say about the Kobe 6 Total Orange. Of course, if you all want to give, if you want me, excuse me, to give a little bit of a quick resale prediction, I don't even know what that was a second ago. Your boy's very tired today. Hey, just bear with me. But I would honestly say this can be a sneaker that's $300. My personal prediction is most sizes for this sneaker will cross $300. That's personally what I think. It's not going to be maybe this year, but I can definitely see it summertime next year. These crossing $300 in most sizes. It's a very wearable colorway. You already know people like all orange shoes. I mean, not all the time, but I feel like this is one of those ones that people will like because it's a little bit standoutish. Like if you're someone that, right, is hooping, wearing these in the court, you know, it would definitely be kind of a standoutish pair. You know what I'm saying? It'd be one that people would notice. But even if you don't care about that, it's just a cool pair to have. Like it's a sick one to have in the collection. Like this would be one that I would even just rock on the daily. You know what I'm saying? You're talking about size, so I'm not going to do that. But that's really what I think about the Kobe 6 Total Orange. There's a lot of potential with this pair. That's my personal price prediction right there. And if you guys have any questions down below, let me know what you guys think, again, about the Kobe 6 Total Orange. Crazy pair right here. So if you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Let's just try and hit 300 likes on this video. That is a normal goal we always shoot for. And if you guys have any questions down below, please let me know in the comments. I will get back to them there. And don't forget the Whatnot Lives. Hey, we give away stuff every single stream, 200 plus items usually. And yeah, just lots of fun. So if you guys want to come tap in with us, tune in. That'd mean a lot. And yeah, that's really what I can say again about the Kobe 6 Total Orange. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this sneaker. And if you think it is worth the cop. For me, yeah, I think it's worth the cop. It's a pretty sick pair. I mean, you really can't go wrong with some Kobe's, especially in a good size too. 11.5, blessed. Thank you, sneakers. I just want to say that. So that's it, guys. I'm T. I'll catch y'all in the next video tomorrow, and let me know what you guys think about the Kobe 6 Total Orange. For me, I think it's a must cop, and I think the prices will go up. Personal prediction though. So I'm T. Let me know what you guys think about these, and I will catch y'all in the next video. See y'all then. Peace.